Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're on our way to check out a newly reduced listing on the south side of town on a big lot. Hang out and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, this is 3770 Monterey Drive. Real nice south side neighborhood. All nice houses around, no junk. Nice mountain views down the street. Got lots of side RV boat parking. This one was just reduced from $499 to $475. It's only been on the market for 13 days. Nice little front entry. All right guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, built in 1995, 1,533 square feet. Sits on a nice big south side lot, 11,892 square feet. Nice open living area, split floor plan. Nice laminate floors, carpet is good. Got nice vaulted ceilings, rear kitchen with a little eat-at breakfast bar. Has a skylight in the kitchen, lots of natural light. So you have your laundry, master, and garage access. So this is your master, has a slider out to the backyard, vaulted ceiling. Carpet's real nice. So you have your master bath, has dual vanities. Nice walk-in closet. Shower and toilet have a little pocket door. So you have the other 2 bedrooms and a guest bath on the other side of the house. Pretty decent sized guest bath. You have bedroom number 2 at the rear of the house. Bedroom number 3 at the front of the house. So you have your indoor laundry, has some cabinets. So you have your 2-car garage, has a 22-foot and a 29-foot bay. So just a little side note, it looks like they just converted that indoor laundry. There was no hookups in there. So they're just kind of using it as a little utility room. So this is the boat deep side. It's got a little utility sink. So this is where the washer and dryer was moved to. And you got your water heater, soft water, RO. So you got your little back patio. It's pretty nice. Got nice views of the mountain. This place backs to a wash, so it's nice to have that separation. So this does back to Calvary Christian Academy, and the kids are at recess. So they have this huge carport. It's a big one, double wide. Looks like it's at least 14 feet high, lagged to concrete. And then there's tons of side parking back here. Looks like the kids are going in. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Monterey Drive. Again, this one was just reduced to $475. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys can get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video as well. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.